green over white, green. We have orange over white, blue. We have blue over white, orange, and brown over white, brown. That's the color coding of standard A. So after that, we are going to put on our RJ5. So we are going to put on our RJ5. For this, you're supposed to measure that we will have a measurable distance for our wires to insert them into the RJ45, and make sure that also part of this enters RJ45 to ensure that it's firm and it's not that loose to get spoiled easily. So I will measure this according to the length I want, then I will have to trim this to make sure I get the, but if you're trimming, try to see that they are all on the same level to ease your work while you're inserting them in the RJ45. So we trim off that, and this is the most tricky part, entering these wires in the RJ45, because each has an individual slot, so each has to enter in its own slot according to the color codings. So while inserting them inside, ensure that each of them goes in its respective slot. Yeah, so you insert it inside and ensure that all of them hit the RJ45, the extreme end of the RJ45, but now they are not hit there where we want them, so we'll have to insert them until they will reach. And first remove it again. Yes, so insert them. Yeah, so this is what I made. To ensure that you're seeing all of them at the top here, these coppers must hit the tip of the RJ45. So if they are all hitting the tip of the RJ45 and you've ensured all of them are hitting the tip, you're supposed to check if the color codings, if it's still in the standard of the color codings that you set. I can see you have green over white, green. There is orange over white, blue, orange over white. Yeah, and then blue over white, orange, and white over brown, brown. That is standard A. Yeah, now for this we are good to go. It has entered inside. So at this point we are going to use the creeping tool to ensure that this is firm. These wires are firm in the RJ45. Wait a minute, this is disturbing me. So yeah, you insert it inside, but even during that process you must make sure that these wires do not leave, are all hitting the tip of the RJ45. Yeah, so after that you make sure that you creep it well. Yeah, then you remove it. So we are done terminating one side. So this side is for standard A, because we are terminating across through cable which has different standards on each end. So this is standard A, which I'm done with. We are going now to standard B. So in standard B, our color codings go as follows. What I had forgotten to tell you previously is that when you're arranging them, you start from the left side to the right side. So the difference is here in standard B, we are going to start with orange over white, orange. There is green over white, blue, blue over white, green, then brown over white, brown. So after that we are going to do the same step we did the other time and see if this, yeah, and measure and see the length that we need for our RJ45 to insert the wires in the RJ45. So you make sure that you trim them and they are in the same line to ease your work, that you can see all of them hitting the tip of the RJ45. So you insert them. This is the most tricky part, because you must ensure each wire follows the color coding and it's in its slot. Yeah, so now here. Seems like not all of them are hitting the top. Let me first see. Okay, supposed to insert this inside. Yeah, all of them are now hitting the tip for connectivity here, you see. So we are done with that part. As I told you, also part of this must enter the RJ45 to ensure the firmness, just in case if someone is using it, these wires are easily there. That you have ensured all the coppers are hitting the tip of the RJ45 to ensure the connectivity. Then we are going to clip it with our clipping tool. Enter our RJ45.